All right, next up, moving through our community, Corral, C-O-R-R-A-L. We've covered celebrate. We've covered operational numbers. We've covered realized strengths. And now we're moving on to our second R, which is review priorities, because that's always important, right? Now, don't get me wrong. There are always laundry lists of backlog items that need to get done. We're not talking about just sharing everything on a to-do list. That just gets overwhelming for the entire team. So we filter these down to the things that truly impact the rest of your team. From a development perspective, is there anything that's coming out that's going to impact customer service, our clients, the way that someone interacts with our product, the phone numbers, anything that is public facing that may impact the way our customers use our system or the way that our customer support team needs to explain and teach others to use our system? What are you doing that impacts the rest of the team that they need to know about? Because we got a lot of things going on the back end, a lot of little projects, a lot of different tasks that don't always impact the way we all relate and work together. And so when we talk about reviewing priorities after we've realized each other's strengths, now we're talking about what truly impacts your team members. So I can look across the table and know that my work matters to you, and I'm also over communicating in how it's going to impact your workday.